Good news, sandwich fans. Sandwich Dad here. Today we're making the French dip. Here's what we're going to use. We'll use deli roast beef because I've only got moose in the freezer and I don't feel like cooking it right now. We'll use a sub roll. I'm going to go wild and melt some Swiss cheese on there too. And we'll make a jus with some beef broth, some Worcestershire, some butter, some onion and garlic, and a sprinkle of flour. First we'll butter and toast up that roll. Melt some butter in a pot, throw some onion in there, and some garlic, and a tiny bit of flour. Then your beef broth, and some Worcestershire. I'd show myself pouring, but I'm holding a baby. Then let's go a bit crazy and put the beef into the juice. And let's get that on the bun here. Put on a bit of Swiss, put it on a baking sheet, and pop it in the oven. Let's pour our jus into a receptacle. Admire your common-law spouse's teal Nissan Cube and wonder if spring will ever come. And remove from oven. Combine, cut diagonal, and dip to eat. This is a sandwich, Dad. Good day.